how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. So click on your Facebook account profile. Here then click on settings and privacy. Then here click on settings. And here click on account center. So here scroll down and click on personal details, and down here click on account ownership and control. Then here you want to temporarily deactivate, or you can permanently delete your account if you want. So click on this second option and choose the account by just clicking on it. Then you'll be taken to this page. Here we know we just want to deactivate temporarily. Yeah, we still want to come back, so click on the first option here. Don't click on delete account and continue. So here this means even the page that is run by the account you are trying to deactivate is going to be deactivated too. So if you're okay with that, just continue, and here enter the password and click on continue. Now here you have to give the reason for deactivating the account. If you're coming back, you're just doing this temporarily, this is the option that you want to select, the first one. Okay, then scroll down and click on continue. And here you can go on. For how long are you just deactivating this account? Choose the number of days here. And you can also just say don't reactivate automatically until I come back and log into my account. So you can go with this, or you can choose the number of days. Then you can go on and click on continue. Then just like that, this is just a confirmation message. Down here you can go on and now click on deactivate my account. When you click on this, your account is going to be deactivated. I'm sure that's what you want. If this video is helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.